Do you drink tea? Have you ever made a cup of tea for yourself? Notice how many ingredients you are using. How much of each ingredient do you put in the tea? How much do you simmer the tea? And till what temperature do you take it? What is the color of the tea that you like? All of this is you putting different elements of the tea together into the pot to make a product which is your tea. This is what is integration management. Hi, I'm Ishmeet, and I'll help you understand integration management in a project today. Integration management in a project is the process of coordinating all the elements of the project. The tasks that need to be performed are coordinating tasks, stakeholders, resources, and all other elements that might make up the project to achieve the target. The management of conflicts between various aspects of a project, making trade offs between the fulfillment of the requests and the process evaluation are all carried out as a part of this management. The analysis of the situation and making an effective decision according to the situation is an important task involved in integration management. It is made sure that the projects are not being managed in isolation. Integration management not only checks that all the elements of the project relate to each other, but also keeps a note that the departments involved in the organization are all related to the project. Project integration management is one of the 10 key knowledge areas in pmbok, which is Project Management Book of Knowledge. If you're unaware of the pmbok, then you can check out our video on Pixel Labs YouTube channel for this topic. It will give you a fair idea of all you need to know in this regard. Let's now try to understand why integration management is important. The project does not consist of a single element that you could easily work on. It consists of various elements and resources. A project is very much complex. So, to reduce the complexity and to assemble the resources and work with the integration of the resources, integration management is necessary. A project manager will check the elements such as schedule, the cost, the scope, quality, resources, risks, change, and the stakeholders to carry out a project smoothly and get a better output and achieve all the targets that were set. All these elements are related to each other. Working on one and ignoring the others will lead to project failure. So, without integration management, all these works and activities cannot be carried out ahead to complete the project. Do you know that there are 7 processes in integration management that make it effective and efficient? Let's see what those are. Project charter development. The project manager or project sponsors write or prepare the project layout, which includes the step by step process that needs to be performed throughout the life cycle of the project. The project management plan needs to be developed. The plans and strategies that have to be carried ahead while implementation of the project have to be noted down beforehand so as to avoid any confusion. The work has to be directed and managed properly. The project manager has to assign the tasks to each individual in the team according to their skills and competencies and then make regular checkup of the progress for a better output in the end. Next, the management of the project knowledge has to be done. To make sure everybody knows what their work is, how it is to be done, and make sure that they are doing it in time is a part of the management process. The project work is to undergo controlling and monitoring. The project has to be monitored regularly to implement any changes if required by the stakeholders or the customers. Regular monitoring and controlling will keep the project on track as expected and finish it in time. Integrated change control has to be performed. The plans of the project, the goals of the project, and the scope statements are integrated into this iterative process along with the changes that have to be made to the project. And lastly, the closure of the project. At last comes the closing of the project. A successful wrap up is done. These steps occur throughout the lifespan of the project because it is a continuous process. Let's now learn about how to succeed at integration management. Integration management deals with evaluating the resources, making trade offs, and dealing with competitive activities. For this, the project manager needs to be good at certain qualities. To successfully carry out these tasks, the project manager should be good at planning, organization, communication, leadership, management of relationships inside as well as outside of the organization, the ability of critical thinking, proper analysis of data, impact assessments, scheduling, budgeting, change management, and risk management. It is important to have appropriate communication with the team time to time as well as the key stakeholders to perform the project in a smooth manner and with accurate information sharing. The integration management software or tools can be used as they have a greater ability to increase the success rate of the project. I hope that this video was helpful to you. For more information on project management, check out the Pixel Apps YouTube channel and please subscribe to our channel. Also check out the link in the description for a wonderful book on project management called Love, Empathy and Project Management.